Hello students, in this session we'll see a program to show the use of class and object. So already we know that what is class and what is object and how it can be implemented and all. Okay, so object is a fundamental thing or fundamental entity. Okay, and class is a group of objects that have similar kind of behavior and identical properties, and then some relationship between the objects. Okay, so now we'll see how to show the relationship or how to use the class and objects in your program. So first in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you have to include the header files. #include iostream.h, then #include conio.h. Okay, so after inclusion of the header files we have to declare the class. So class declaration ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು, first we should use the keyword called class. So ಯಾವುದೇ keyword use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೂ all the letters must be in the small letter, so that class must be in the small case. Okay, so first letter of the class name must be always capital. So here I have taken test as a class name. Then so this indicates opening of the class. So class consists of what? Data members and member function, right? So data members are nothing but the variables which is declared inside the class, and member function is nothing but member function which is declared inside the class. Okay, the function which is declared inside the class is known as member function. The variables which is declared inside the class is known as data members. So class consists of both data members and member function, and you can include any number of data members and member function. Okay, so first member function na declare ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ data members na declare ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first we have to use its access specifier. Okay, so access specifier private, public ಮತ್ತೆ protected ಮೂರು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so here I am using private access specifier. Okay, then colon ಹಾಕಿ next we have to specify the data type. So I am taking two variables called a and b. Okay, so ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು a and b ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, and I am going to take another one sum. Right, so these two are the data members of the class test. Data members. Okay, so double slash use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is comments, that's not going to be execute. So next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, I have to declare the member function. Okay, so void get data. So here member function name is get data. Okay, so get data ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, I have to take the values of a and b. So values ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, first cout statement ನ display ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So in this I am going to display the value of a and b. So first what I have to take, enter the value of a and b. Enter the value of a and b. Okay, so after taking cout I have to take the input. So I have to use cin. Okay, then a b. Okay, this is exclusion operator. Then this indicates the closing of this get data function. Okay, now I have to take another data member, another member function. So in that I have to perform addition. How I am going to get the addition of two numbers? Already I have declared sum as a variable. So if I add value of a and b, then it's going to give the summation of those two values. Okay, so in previous session also, in previous member function we have taken the values of a and b. So in this member function I have to declare the summation. So void calculate. Here member function name is calculate. So this indicates the function. Then opening of the flower braces. Now I have to take the sum. So sum equals a plus b. whatever the values which is fed into A and B, that will going to sum up, and that value will be stored in variable called sum. Okay, after the summation I have to display the value of that sum. Then I am going to take another member function called display. Okay, so void display. So this indicates the function, opening of the function display, then cout. So in order to display any value, we have to use cout, that is console output. Okay, sum of A and B, A and B, right? So where it is stored? That's stored in sum variable. So that I have to take sum. Okay, so if any variable which is included between the double quotes, then that will be considered as statement. If it is not included within the double quotes, then that will be considered as variable value. Okay, here sum. Then I have to give semicolon, that indicates the closing of that sentence. This indicates closing of this void display function. Okay, then I have to close the class. How to close the class? Closing flower braces along with semicolon. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ class ನ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, class test. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮೂರಿದೆ, A, B and sum. Okay, and member function ಮೂರಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದು get data, calculate and display. So get data ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, A ಮತ್ತೆ B ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. void calculate ಅಲ್ಲಿ calculate member function ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, it's going to summing of A and B. Then in void display we are displaying the value of that sum. Okay, so now I have to enter the main function, int main or void main. So clear screen. So what is the class name? Test, right? Then how to create an object? Class name along with the object name. So here I have taken t1 and semicolon. How to access the member function? So idral member function ಯಾವ್ದು ಇವಾಗ get data, calculate ಮತ್ತೆ display ಅಲ್ವಾ? So t1 dot get data, and one more thing, there should not be a space between the member function name. So if it is like this, then it's going to display the error. Okay, this must be a single word. If the word is too lengthy, then you can use underscore instead of that space. Okay, so t1 dot get data, then so get data ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ A ಮತ್ತೆ B ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, t1 dot calculate. Okay, then t1 dot display, t1 dot display get ch, and this indicates the closing of main function. Okay, so now we'll compile. So it has warning, function should return a value. Okay, fine. So in this we have taken int main, so that it must return some value, return 0. Okay, so if it is void main, then no need to return any values. If it is int main, then we have to return some values. And I told that there should not be a space between the words of data members and member function too. So now I will give some space. Now we'll see, we are going to get errors. Declaration missing, then get data is not a member of test. It's not going to detect the name of that get data, and calculate is not a member. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, so there should not be a space between the words. So if I give underscore here, then this must also get altered. So ಇವಾಗ it's not a member ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, get data is not a member of test. So if I have used underscore here, then it's not going to display any errors. Okay na? So throughout the program same word na use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Fine. Then enter the value of a and b. Now I have to give the value of a and b, 10 and 20. So what will be the sum? Sum of a and b will be 30. Okay. So a ಮತ್ತೆ b value 10 ಮತ್ತೆ 20 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a ಮತ್ತೆ b ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಮ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then it's going to display the value of a and b. So this is how we need to use class and objects in our program. Okay, so write down this program in your assignment book and revise the programs and all. Thank you.